Welcome back, everybody. What we're doing today, this is episode 5 of the Finding Gold at Home episodes. So we've got in the mail our next pay dirt. Now, just so we can do a quick recap, we've done 3 pay dirts. I only did videos on 2 of them, but we actually did 3 pay dirts from a company called Kenai. We did the sampler. Again, you can go back and check out the video on that one. We did the DNJ 4 ounce. There's some neat stuff in this video, so you might want to go back and check that one out. And then this is the one we didn't do a video on, and this is the Alaskan Gold. You know, it was on par with the rest of the Kenai ones. It was the first one I did. We didn't do a video. I just wanted to see what it was like. All right, so that's 3 Kenais that we did so far, and now we're on the 4th one, and this is the last one that we're going to be doing with Kenai. And look at the size difference. Okay, it does come in a nice heat-sealed rip top bag, and there is a zippy inside of it, a Ziploc type mechanism on the inside. I'm sure you can see it there. Half of it's see-through, which is kind of neat. It's hard to see the gold because it's fogged up from all the dirt inside. I did notice there's a little bit of organics in here, so it's probably going to be pretty muddy. Alright, so this is the Peninsula Pay. It's the most expensive of the Kenais that they have on Amazon. It was $89.99 Canadian. Alright, so we're going to get into that. But what we're going to use, here's a screenshot for this one, the Peninsula Pay. And what we're going to use to pan it is a panning kit. Okay, and that's off Amazon. Again, you can see that probably in episode 1. I believe it is, so go check out episode 1 to find out what tools we're going to be using. And remember, if you find anything useful, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit the like button. That helps very much, and I appreciate the support. So let's go ahead and pan some of this stuff. Now that we're almost done the Amazon, this is the last Amazon bag we're doing. We are going to be doing a live episode on the 24th or 25th. More information will be in the description, but you can log on, ask any questions you want live. I will answer them as they come in. We'll do a quick recap on all of the Amazon ones that we've done. We'll be able to have a chit chat live. Okay, so we're gonna classify this down because it's a rather large bag. It's a full 1 pound bag, but it's quite a bit of material. So yeah, it's the Peninsula Pay. So to classify this down, usually I would just use a kitchen strainer, but because it seems like there might be a little bit more stuff in this, I've decided to go with 2 different size classifiers. Okay, so we got the 1/4 inch and the 1/8 inch. So to do that, they all fit in together, and then we'll put them over top of the pan, rip the bag open. It's nice and sealed with the Ziploc, nice and dry material. All right, so let's get classifying. And we will go through those a little later. Check out, make sure there's no gold left in behind here. And we will go through those a little later. I can see a little gold right here. I can see a little gold right here. I can see a little gold right here. So we'll go ahead and pan that. I'm gonna do this in smaller chunks. I'm gonna take probably 5 to 10 tablespoons each, just to make sure that I don't miss too much. All right, the last of the finds, and then we're gonna go through the other ones to see if there's any little pickers in there. All right, guys, this is the biggest of the stuff that we had. So we're gonna do it in little bits. We'll do half of it up front. All right, and then the last of the big super stuff that was the biggest stuff. Now, if I see something in here, I'm gonna be ecstatic. Let's check it out. All right, guys, let's go ahead and see what's in our jar. All right, guys, there's the gold. By far, it's one of the biggest hauls we've ever had at a pay dirt. So let's go ahead, dry it up, weigh it up, and see what we end up with. All right, guys, so we'll zero her out. All right, this is the Peninsula Pay, and we got quite a bit of gold here, so I gotta be a little more gentle than normal. And let's go ahead and check it out. So 0.52 of a gram. There was a 0.5 of a gram guarantee. So we are within the guarantee. So let's check it out at the computer and see where we're at. So 0.52 of a gram. 0.52 of a gram. So that's $38.06 Canadian at today's price, or $29.98 American. So we paid $89.99 for this bag. So that works out to a 42.29% return on investment, which is the highest return on investment we've had of all of our pay dirts to date. You could actually take all three of these and combine the gold totals from all three of these, and it still wouldn't equal what we got out of here. Now, again, it's Amazon pay dirt, so to get over 40% return on investment is pretty phenomenal. There are companies out there that, you know, they say you're going to get 100% return on investment, which is great, but you're talking about hundreds of dollars for those pay dirts. And again, we started with our Amazon pay dirts. Next, we're going to be going to Vendetta, which has a pretty high return on investment. So as far as all the Amazon pay dirts are concerned, this is by far the best, the Peninsula Pay. It is also the most expensive, but it's the highest return on investment. If you did have any questions or anything, or if you've panned any of these pay dirts before and you have comments, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Our next pay dirts that we're going to be doing are Vendetta pay dirts. But before we do that, we are going to go over, remember on all the videos I tell you to keep your leftovers in the spoils and pan them again, because most of the pay dirt manufacturers suggest to pan it 2-3 times. So what we're going to do in our next video is all of the pay dirts from the Amazon pay dirts. We are going to pan it one more time and see how much we missed, or if we missed any or whatever. And we will do a quick video on that. That's going to be a short video. But the next purchased pay dirt that we're going to do is the pay dirt from Vendetta. I've got 2 sizes coming. And so if you want to see those, remember, subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit the like button. Feel free to share any of my videos. And remember, if I don't see you around, I'll see you square.